Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Kibor pnia jangka Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University. Hagasingi balang ka laitarik unailar arjar arpuar. Kilapan menapaj ba ia ki Skhim kibala ai da kani ka skol ba syaki Samla Pule jonga jela Meghalaya bar hagathain chetei lammingi kiba angnot ban beteng ia ka jing Pule hagani ka skol ba kabadon ha ka jela Punjab. Kinom penia jongani ka skol ba ha ka jing ekran bat kila pathai kubor kila pentip syapang ki jing Pule ka jing perungkam ondala dep ki jing Pule bat kiwei de ki Skhim jing rap bala ai syaki Samla Pule.
All of you, I, being the registrar of the university, welcome all of you to this press conference. This university is situated in state of Punjab. When I talk about Punjab, we are a highly agrarian state. We are the food basket of India. So, education-wise also, we are far ahead. Now, we have two technical universities in Punjab. Both of them have been established by state of Punjab government. And our Chancellor is the Honorable Governor Punjab. Our Chairman BOGs is the Principal Secretary Technical Education Punjab. Then we have our Technical Minister is the CM Punjab. And we have the Vice Chancellor. Then we have the other team who administer all the university. Now, this university is a latest 12th university in which we have all the courses that are needed in today's modern era. Today, we are here in this state of Meghalaya to enlighten the people on the instructions of our Chancellor, our Chairman BOG and Vice Chancellor. We are here to request you to put our ideas to the public so that they come to know whatever facilities we have. It being a government university, it is 100% university of the state. So any money coming to the university is audited by the government. So your money, your kid is very safe in this university campus. We have around 56 colleges that are affiliated to us, 5 constituent colleges, and 1 we have in the university campus college. So these colleges, we have different types of courses, specialized courses that will be of great help to this state. That includes food technology, agriculture, pharmacy, aeronautical engineering, aeronautical with some management courses. So these are the coming trends in the society. Then all of you will be having a question in your mind, why, being a state university, you have come here. We are here to highlight the universities, and as today's world is very small, for education people are traveling very far. As the kids of this Meghalaya state travel to Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore for education. Similarly, in our state, our kids are traveling abroad. Lot of kids are going to US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK and other European countries. So, to meet that demand of those students, we have even gone in for the foreign collaborations with those universities abroad. What is the collaboration? There we have 2+2 scheme, 3+2 scheme. 2+2 scheme means study 2 years here, 2 years in that university. You are given the university degree of that and this university also. You can get a work permit there also. 3+2 means you study here 3 years, 2 years there. You are given bachelor's and master's degree. By this, one thing is that by the time of 2 or 3 years studying in the professional college, the child get grown up, mature, and he is able to stay with himself, and parents are a bit comfortable. Second is the cost factor reduces. That is, if you are going in by 2+2 scheme, it is reduced by 60%. And if you are going with 3/2, it is reduced by 66%. And chances of your employment in those countries is high. And if any of kids want to settle there, they get the work permit, they can get the PR also, other facilities. One other field where a lot of students of this northeast are coming is we have the textile engineering. A lot of students from these states have come. We are one of the pioneers in textile engineering. This engineering is 32 years back. We had started this branch in a college which has been converted into this university. So this textile engineering, agriculture, food science are of great interest of your region. So we would like you to take our idea to those people, all the masses, so that our students, because today the state doesn't think about only Punjab. We have to think the country as one, as by the instructions of our Honorable Chancellor, Vice Chancellor. We have to use this all facilities which is created by the public money, and whatever infrastructure has been created by the public money has to be used by the public, and public means we all Indians are one. We are Indians first, so that's why we are here. With your help, we want to spread our message to all the masses so that students can come and use the infrastructure that we have.
Northeast students, we have Ishan Vijay, we have Ishan Vikas and Ishan Uday scholarship schemes, which is applicable to our university, because both these schemes, Ishan Vijay and Ishan Uday, so university 12F and 2F and 12G, these are required, and our university has both the applicability 2G and 12F. Clear? So these Northeast students which want to avail these two scholarships, which are specially for Northeast students, so our university is eligible for these scholarships from Government of India. One thing. Second thing is, as explained by also Registrar Sir, that we have the latest courses which is the demand of this area, like textile engineering, agriculture engineering, and other engineering branches, and food science, clear, and then pharmaceutical sciences, all, and aeronautical engineering. One of the main course which some students have interest, aeronautical engineering. One of our campus at Patiala that have aeronautical engineering, and which is in collaboration with the running model of the aeroplane. And the second strength of our university is that we have a MOU with All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhatinda, which is just half kilometer from our campus. And we have a MOU with them, and we have a course MBA in hospital administration in that. Second, this our campus is surrounded by Central University of Punjab, which is just a 15 kilometer from our campus, and one of the biggest refinery of our nation, HMEL, Hindustan HMEL, a big refinery, which is a very big potential for the area. So what does I mean to say? That if a student goes in our university, so he will get a exposure of all these things. Next thing is AICT, All India Council for Technical Education, has sanctioned us a Idea Lab. In whole of the state Punjab, our university gets that Idea Lab, which is a brainchild of AICT to spark the young minds to create some new ideas. You know? So that under that 55 lakhs grant we received from AICT, and 56 lakh grant is received from the one of the main leading industry of our area, Bhatinda Chemical Limited. So that is there. Second, other one is Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India has sanctioned our university 4.5 crores to build the infrastructure indoor hall stadium, sports hall stadium for that. So with the combination of these all facilities, so our university offers a green lush campus of 150 acres, which is having 5 boys hostel, 2 girls hostel, 100% residential accommodation for staff and faculty. Inside the campus, bank is there, post office is there, ATM is there, shopping complex is there, then main auditorium is there, then gymnasium is there. All these things are there which a student can flourish during his study period.
The details of our collaboration with some of the USA universities and Canadian universities, as well as France University and other international institutions. So that will be a great help for the students of Northeast area if they want to fly abroad with the help under the patronage of government sector university. So it will be 100% safe. Third is there is a Punjab Chief Minister's scholarship scheme where meritorious students will get 100% fees waiver. There are certain parameters. If someone gets more than 90% marks, he will get 100% fees waiver. If some student get 18% marks, they will get 50% waiver, and so on. I have mentioned all these in the press release. So there another thing is the Ishan Uday scheme, Ishan Uday and Ishan Vikas scheme. These schemes are specially for 7 sister states, northeastern states, launched by the government of India. This scheme is basically, under this scheme, scholarship is provided to the student having potential and parental income up to 4.5 lakh. So all they belong to Northeast region, where they are domicile of Northeast region. All these schemes and all benefit of this scholarship scheme will be given in our university to all of them. There are other scholarship schemes which are introduced by All India Council for Technical Education for the students. So another Skhim scholarship scheme for differently abled children. They will also get number of facilities and relaxations as per the Government of India norms in our university. So as far as foreign collaborations are concerned, we have collaboration with Wayne State University of America. Wayne State University is situated in a Detroit city of USA, which is best known as center of the USA automobile industry, and the big 3 auto manufacturers, General Motors, Ford and Stellantis, are produced in North America. All are headquartered in Metro Detroit. After studying at Wayne State University, the student will avail ample opportunity of employment, and our university has a special memorandum of understanding with the Wayne State University, where as earlier explained by Dr. Brad, that there are 2 schemes: study here, enroll here, study abroad. Means if you study here for 3 years, you will get and 4th year at USA University, you will get a degree from the USA University. And if graduate degree, if you study for 2 years at USA, then you will get postgraduate degree in USA, and it will save your more than 60 to 70 lakhs per students, 80 lakh per students. This is the biggest scheme, as our Punjab government is worried about the brain drain towards those countries. So government started and exploitation by travel agents to the innocent students. So government introduced this scheme through the Punjab government established university, so that no one be exploited at the hands of private sector or travel agents. So this is the one of the biggest scheme for enroll here, study abroad program. And there is a we are already explained about our university. Our university got All India Atal Ranking Institute. We got 4th rank in the beginners band in the country, and 62nd rank in the overall position in the whole universities of the country. So that is a big achievement of our university. And third thing is our university is situated, as explained by Dr. Manjeet Bansal, is situated on the borders of Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, which is a central point. Universities has in the vicinity All India Institute of Medical Sciences, one of the biggest institute of North India, and one of the biggest oil refinery, and number of thermal power plants, National Fertilizer Limited, and there are number of other industrial units in Ludhiana and where other places where the students can get best job placements after studying in our university.
Established a corporate resource center for the same. Like we have many steps following to the placement of students. We conduct many pre-placement sessions throughout the year for every student, and then we focus on internships also. Like many of the students of different departments like food science and technology, pharmacy, then of textile engineering, of various engineering fields, they go for their summer internship trainings with best of the MNCs in India. And then we also provide monthly industrial visits to the students of all departments in big giant industries. Like we have local industries like HMEL, then we have the Trident Group, then we have in Hisar there is Jindal stainless steel, and then at Ludhiana it's a textile hub of Punjab. Then Panipat nearby us is also a textile hub of Punjab. Many of the northeastern students come for textile engineering to our university. And the last part is that we keep on licensing with the industry. They come for placements to the campus for the students. And the highest package for our university is 10 lakhs per annum for the students. And then for textile engineering, many of the students have been placed in Reliance Industries, then the Gross Beckett industry, then Vardhman, Trident. We have the Oswal. Oswal is the biggest group in Ludhiana. Many of the textile students go there. Then for computer science engineering, our students go with HCL. They are placed in HCL. They are placed in Wipro, TCS. They are placed in Cognizant, Capgemini. And for the other fields like food science and technology, our students go for internships with PepsiCo. PepsiCo is a plant, PepsiCo have established a plant 30 years back. The first mother plant of India was established in Punjab. Students go for internships and for industrial visits with PepsiCo, with Nestle. Then we have a plant of ITC in Punjab. They go for with ITC also. For in summer internships, our students of food science and technology go with Patanjali. Then we go with Hindustan Coca-Cola. And there are many more industries our students of different departments go with the placements.